Skip first line with Python Stdin. I would like to read lines from the Python Stdin implementation. So far I have. But I would like to skip the first line that is supplied. Python has a method for this when using the file input implementation, which returns true if it is the first line and false otherwise. Ideally there would be something like that for Stdin where I could go. Is there a way to do this? Thanks.
You can use enumerate to keep track of the line number.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.